Don't download Investmate app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading the Investmate app, stop right there. Most people get this wrong. Investmate advertises itself as a beginner-friendly platform for learning about investing, but the surprising truth is that it may not provide the depth or practical tools you actually need to build real-world investing skills. Investmate focuses on education with interactive lessons, quizzes, and simulations. You learn basic concepts like stocks, ETFs, bonds, and portfolio diversification. For example, you can take a module on risk management that explains how to balance a portfolio between conservative and aggressive assets. Here's the catch: Investmate does not let you trade real money directly within the app. While simulations can be helpful, they lack the emotional component of real investing. Handling actual gains and losses is essential for developing solid investment habits. Another limitation is advanced strategy coverage. If you want to explore options, margin trading, or alternative investments, Investmate's curriculum is shallow. Most experienced investors find it insufficient for mastering complex market strategies, and there's little guidance on tax optimization or portfolio rebalancing. Additionally, while the app is free to start, some content is locked behind a premium subscription. Depending on your goals, you might end up paying for lessons that you could access through other free or more comprehensive resources online. In conclusion, don't download Investmate app if your goal is to actively trade or manage a real portfolio. It's best suited for absolute beginners who want to understand investing concepts in a gamified environment. Knowing its limitations will help you decide whether it's a good starting point or if other platforms offering real market experience might better suit your growth as an investor.